Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you are here. I'm so pumped for this video. This is my very first Boxycharm Vs Ipsy opening, and we are going to open July's boxes side by side and compare the two. So I am super excited not only to see what all the product I got for this month is, but to actually really compare and see which one is better. So let's just jump on in. I love getting my Boxycharm, and I've had a few of them now, and I decided to sign up for Ipsy just because when I was comparing and kind of researching, especially after I fell in love with Boxycharm, I wanted to see other options that were out there, and I feel like Ipsy was kind of right up there with Boxycharm with really great feedback and great products that they included. So I have my Boxycharm and Ipsy for July. I'm opening them up. I'm going to compare the two of them, and we are going to see what we've got. So I'm super excited. Also, if you like this makeup look, I actually filmed earlier today. That video will be dropping next week. So if you like this colorful look that I did, stay tuned for that. I had a bunch of fun filming earlier, and then when I got my Ipsy box, I was like, I have to film this opening because I didn't want to wait. I wanted to dive in and see what I got. So I'm jumping back on camera and we are documenting this today. So let's just jump on into the boxes and see what we got. So I am going to do Boxycharm first, and I'm going to slice this open. I just love this every single month. Hello, Charmer. Like, just makes me happy seeing that. Okay, so I was seeing on social media and things like that. Obviously, I follow them, so I did know that their theme this month was kind of like natural and like earth-friendly, things like that. So I have my little Boxycharm card. I'm gonna just jump on into these products and see. Okay, the first one is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Nice size. It says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, soothes, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. I always love when I get skincare products because I just love incorporating different things. I like to change things up with my skin. I feel like it's good to do that every so often and just kind of give your skin different things. So I'm really excited about this. I am going to open it and smell it and see what it smells like. It smells really nice. Nice and light and soft. Okay, next up is Butter London's Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. So, oh, this packaging is super cute. Look at that. That's really cute. I like the way they have like the matte finish on there, and then the floral pattern has like that real pretty shine. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. So it looks like they have kind of 4 shimmers and 2 mattes. I'm excited to try it. Let me swatch some of these shades and kind of see what they look like on my finger. Okay, so we have Enchantress, we have Queen, we have Star, and we have Diva. Those are actually all really pretty. Okay, so I'm also gonna swatch the 2 mattes. We have Temptress and Femme Fatale. This is Temptress and Femme Fatale. So that's pretty. The blue, let me get a little more of the blue. It seemed like it wasn't really, oh yeah, that's a little bit better. So that did go on actually really nice. Those are really pretty shades. I think the only thing I would find that maybe I would think would be sort of missing out of here would be a lighter matte shade for like a transition, because this is really dark. Although, you know, you can still get a really pretty look. I'll have to play around with it, and I think overall the colors are beautiful. I love the metallics. Those are really gorgeous. So overall beautiful palette. I am super excited to play with that. I have Luxie brushes. Luxie brushes are always fabulous. Luxie is known for their pink handles. These are really nice. I love this. So it looks like we get a set of 3. We are getting kind of a big blender, and then we have a foundation brush, and then also a small little shader. So these are really nice. And it's cute because Luxie is known for their pink handles, but with these, with the natural theme, they're kind of like a wood pattern, which is really, really kind of cute and cool. So that is fantastic. Great, great brushes. So I am super excited about that. Okay, we have some Alamar Causemetics Mother of Pearl Gloss. So I actually got something from them 2 months ago, I think it was a blush palette, and I really loved it. This is Sirenita, I think is the shade. Really, really pretty. It is a pink with like a gold fleck in it. So let me swatch this and see. Oh yeah, so it's kind of a sheer gloss, but it's got a really pretty, like a very light peachy pink with a real pretty gold in it, so that's really pretty. Kind of a very light scent. As far as scent-wise, I love it, and the color, the packaging is super cute. The lid is like super sparkly, which I love, love, love. Okay, next we have a Peel Gel Liner for the last item in the box. And my color that I got is Desert Taupe. Oh, okay. That's nice. Okay, so it's actually not a wood liner, which is nice to see. So I'm gonna just draw this. Oh wow, that is really, really creamy. That's a really pretty color. Yeah, that's really creamy. That is gorgeous. This would be really pretty like in the waterline. Sometimes I like to use browns in my waterline because I feel like it just kind of makes the color pop a little more than doing black sometimes. So I'm excited to try this. Okay, so fantastic products. I love them all. And let's add up Boxycharm. So Boxycharm on average is like $21 and change a month. So we have the Veggie mask, which was $35. We have the eyeshadow palette, which was $32. The Luxie 3-piece brush set is $30. We have the Alamar gloss, which is $10. And then we have the gel liner, which is $21. Yeah, that's a really good formula. So that does not surprise me. Okay, so that totals $128 in my box. So literally basically $106 on top of what I spent. Not bad for $21 and change a month. So I love my box this month. Fantastic. I'm super excited to try these. Okay, now we are going to jump in and check out Ipsy. So this is Ipsy's box. So it's bigger than Boxycharm. And of course I love the pink. Who doesn't love pink? So let's slice this open. So I love the message inside. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. I love positive messages encouraging people to embrace who they are and love who they are and not try to be like other people and you know, look like other people. Like God created you perfectly, and so I love messages like that. Okay. So dive in. It says, summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach, babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. Hashtag Ipsy Dive In. So their theme for July is Dive In. Okay, let's see. I'm loving this already. Okay, so first up, the item is the Pixi Glow Mist. It has argan oil in there. It's nourishing. Let's see what the description says. Step up your summer glow with this lightweight mist. It's formulated with 13 natural essential oils like rose flower and lavender, aloe vera, and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. Shake it up, mist onto skin before makeup or all over your face, hair, and neck throughout the day for a refreshing pick-me-up. The next one is the Naked Cosmetics 4-piece pigment set. Says Naked Cosmetics products are made without fillers like oils, wax, or talc that can be damaging to your skin. These highly pigmented, finely milled loose pigments blend very easily. Mix and match them to create endless eye looks. So the tip with this one is use a dense shader brush. So they're telling you what brush to use. Apply, they're even telling you colors you can use with the ones they give you. You apply one of the shades on your lids, you blend the other into your crease, you smudge with another one. That's super cool. So they're giving you like an eye look along with the colors. And then it says, don't stop just at your eyes. You can also use these pigments as a highlighter or mix with your favorite lip gloss and nail polishes to make them shimmery. How cool. Oh yeah, these are gorgeous. But like if you got these wet and used them, that would be beautiful on the skin. Oh my gosh, that's a great item to include. Woo! Okay, next one is Goldfaden MD Bright Eyes. This eye cream, who doesn't love a good eye cream? Gets straight to the root of under your eye issues because there's only so much concealer can hide. It's formulated with rice bran extract, soy peptide, organic red tea, and arnica. It hydrates and helps reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Plus it absorbs super fast so you can apply your makeup ASAP. That's huge because sometimes I've had certain eye creams that I want to wear during the day and I'll go in and do my makeup afterwards and it does not want to agree with my concealers, and it drives me nuts because I want to still have good product under my skin during the day, not just at night when I go to bed. So that's awesome. The tip is apply 1 drop to your under eye area in a patting motion using your ring finger. For faster results, use morning and night on clean skin. Great, that's awesome. Yes. Okay, next item, Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette in Golden Sands. Okay, you know we're gonna be swatching these. Oh, I love Huda Beauty, honestly. They have so much amazing stuff. Oh, this is really pretty. So it says we're head over heels for anything this beauty influencer turned makeup maven creates with a mix of 1 creamy and 3 pressed powder pearlescent highlighters. This palette has everything you need to customize your glow. And then it gives you tips, of course, on how to apply. So we are gonna go ahead and we are gonna swatch these. Oh, that's creamy. So these 3 right here are the more powdery ones. That's definitely the creamy one. So we are going to swatch here. So this one is Fiji. This one is Seychelles, I think is how you say that maybe. This is Tahiti. And then this one is Zanzibar. Okay, so I'll try to hold those up a little bit closer. There we go, you can see on the light a little bit. I actually really like the Zanzibar one. That's kind of the peachy tone. That's gonna be kind of fun to play with. So I am into that one. Nice formula with that too. Next up, Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Brynn. This says, a single swipe of this volumizing, lengthening mascara will even help make sparse lashes look like extensions. It comes with an innovative comb-shaped wand that adds definition, separates lashes, and helps prevent clumping, while the formula is infused with orchid stem cell complex to stimulate lash growth and soft fibers for dramatic length and lift. I love a good nourishing mascara. Really awesome packaging. This is like a serious heavy duty mascara. Like that's pretty weighted in my hand. That is really, really pretty though. I love the color of that. Okay, so that is my 5 products from Ipsy. To throw that away. Oh, I've got makeup on me. I don't even know how that happened. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Okay, so now we have both boxes open. I have stuff all over my vanity here. We are gonna add up Ipsy and we're gonna see the difference with this. So the Pixi by Petra Glow Mist is $15. The Naked Cosmetics 4-piece pigment set is $40. The Goldfaden Bright Eye Cream is $55. Okay, oops, hang on, I messed up my adding here. 15, 40, 55. And then you got Huda Beauty, which is a $45 palette. And then you have the mascara, which is $24. Okay guys, so the total for Ipsy is $179. So I definitely got more for the extra basically $3 for Ipsy. I think I said Boxycharm was $128 in value and this is $179, so you're talking $51 more. Both of them are great, but definitely I will say when you compare the prices of the products, you definitely got more in Ipsy. I think, a little more excited about my Ipsy box this month because obviously I love the highlight palette. The mascara looks awesome. I love a good eye cream, and those loose pigments for the eyes look incredible. So if I have to pick, I think that Ipsy won this month, and I'm excited about the product that came in both, and I will be definitely playing with all of them. There wasn't one thing that I was like, eh. The only opinion I had was the eyeshadow palette in Boxycharm. You know, I think it could use an extra transition shade to be a little bit more of a well-rounded palette. But as far as what was in there though, like the brushes are great. I love the face mask is awesome. I'm super excited to try all this stuff out. So yeah, I have to say, Ipsy won this one for me, but both are fantastic. I can't wait to be trying them. You'll be seeing me using some of this makeup in some upcoming videos, I'm sure. So I said this before in my last Boxycharm, I think these are great options for people that want to try new products and don't really know where to start. I like the breakdown of Ipsy. I love the fact that they had tips in these little booklets. Like a loose pigment. There might be people who have absolutely no idea what to do with a loose pigment. And for it to give you direction and even go into certain brushes you can use, that's really helpful and awesome. So I love that about Ipsy. I think that was great. I'm excited to use products in both the boxes, and it was overall a very successful month. So this is super fun. It is a great way also for very little monthly commitment to get some really great value and some awesome product to incorporate into your stuff at home. You know, you can take the questionnaires and really narrow down the things you're looking for. And I feel like since I started Boxycharm and now, you know, on Ipsy, the questionnaires are really accurate. I mean, they've been pretty spot on the things that I was really interested in receiving, colors that I'm interested in and all that. So like for me, nail polish was something I was like, I'm not interested in getting nail polish really. I have a bunch already. If I'm getting stuff, I'd really rather get skincare and makeup. I haven't had any nail polish show up yet. So I really do think that they pay very good attention to that, which is great. So opening is complete, guys. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video. Okay, guys, so that is a wrap. I had a lot of fun opening these boxes. It's always so much fun for me when these boxes come in every month. I know I've had Boxycharm for a little bit now, and I've looked forward to that. Now I'm super excited to have Ipsy as well. It's just great to have some really awesome new product to incorporate, and I feel like it also just kind of, when you get new makeup, it just kind of sparks your excitement to just jump on in and play. It's a great option, these subscription boxes, these companies that are doing this. I think it's genius. I think it's awesome. It's exciting every month to see your packages come and to be able to look forward to trying just different brands and different things. Fantastic boxes. I had a bunch of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and leave me feedback in the comments. I would love to hear if whoever's got Boxycharm or Ipsy, what your thoughts were for the month of July and products that you've loved if you've tried some of them already. I'd love to hear that from all of you. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. You can go ahead and see the little button on the side of the screen. Also make sure that you ring the bell if you do subscribe so that you receive notifications when I upload new videos. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye.